Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. Integration testing is an essential step for most development teams, but that doesn't mean it is 100% perfect. It's a complex process that can be time-consuming, which means that it is essential to plan and coordinate integration testing carefully, involving relevant departments where necessary. Integration testing can be especially challenging when working on agile projects. The development of multiple features at once is standard. Integration testing can pose many challenges to software teams, some of which are covered below. 1. Integration testing is resource-intensive. Integration tests are resource-intensive. They may involve running several different tests simultaneously against several copies of production code or data. In addition, due attention must be paid to making sure that each test does not negatively impact performance on its own or interfere with any other ongoing tests running simultaneously in parallel threads. This dependency on a variety of resources can increase the complexity of a test suite and make it difficult to consistently reproduce results in later stages of development. 2. It's difficult to perform. Integration testing can be a complex process, especially when testing the integration of many different systems, including databases, platforms, and environments. You will need rich functionality tools to support a variety of platforms like Linux, Windows, Android, iOS, web, and processes like load tests, performance tests, UI tests, QA tests, and more. As well as being resource-heavy, integration testing requires experience and technical expertise, as well as an understanding of project goals and objectives. It is one of the most intensive types of testing that software teams carry out, especially when opting for manual integration testing as opposed to automated testing. 3. Integration testing takes time. Another concern with manual integration testing is the sheer amount of time it takes. Manual testing is done in increments, with testers adding each new module one by one and testing the functionality and performance of every module at each stage of the testing process. This takes time, and for some development teams, it may feel like time they don't have to spare, especially if early testing doesn't indicate any issues. 4. Fixes aren't always easy. Perhaps one of the most difficult challenges that development teams face during the process of integration testing is the stage of fixing the issues that arise during testing. This can be particularly challenging when working with legacy systems, which may be very difficult to integrate with more modern applications. Successful changes ensure that both systems work properly in conjunction with one another, and the influence of either system does not create any issues for the other. Achieving this isn't easy. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos linked in the description.